If you're studying for the real estate exam and commission questions are tripping you up, especially the ones with multiple splits, this is exactly what you need. These are some of the most common and most missed questions on the exam. In this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to do every time. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to give you a simple pattern that makes these problems much easier. In this lesson, you'll learn how to calculate total commission, how to split that commission between brokerages, and how to find the agent's final earnings. By the end, you'll be able to solve these without guessing. Let's walk through a real exam style problem. A home sells for $3,300 with a 6% commission. That commission is split evenly between brokerages, and the agent earns 70% of their brokerage's portion. We want to find how much that agent earns. Quickly, let's make sure we understand a couple of key terms. A brokerage is the company an agent works under. When we say brokerage split, we mean the commission is divided between two companies, usually the listing side and the buyer's side. And the agent split is a portion the agent keeps from their brokerage. That's all you need to know. Now let's apply it. Here's the exact process you want to follow on the exam. First, find the total commission. Then split that amount between the brokerages, and finally apply the agent's percentage. If you follow this order every time, these problems become much easier. The first step before we begin finding the total commission is to change the commission percentage of 6% to a decimal. That decimal falls right behind the 6, so we move it 2 spots to the left, which gives us 0.06. Now we can find the total commission. We just need to multiply the amount the home sells for by the percentage as a decimal. $3,300 times 0.06. So the total commission is $19,800. Next, we split the commission between the brokerages. Since it's an even split, we divide by 2. 19,800 divided by 2 is 9,900. So each brokerage receives $9,900. Now we find the agent share by first converting 70% to a decimal, which is, after we move that decimal point that falls behind the 0 2 spots to the left, 0.70 or just simply 0.7. Simply multiply the commission the agent's brokerage receives by the percent as a decimal to find the agent's portion. So you can think of this as taking 70% of 9,900. This gives us 6,930. So the agent earns $6,930. If you want more practice with these types of problems, I put together a free real estate math practice pack. You can grab it using the link in the description. Here's where most people lose points on the exam. They think they need to try to split the commission before finding the total, or they forget to convert percentages into decimals, or they stop after splitting and don't finish the final step. If you avoid these, you're already ahead of most test takers. Here's the easiest way to remember this on the exam. Always follow this pattern: multiply, divide, and then multiply again. First, find the total commission, then split it, then find the agent's portion. If you stick to that order, these problems become much more manageable. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve commission problems with caps and fees, which is another common type of question on the real estate exam. If this helped you, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it.